Very good, very good. So in the book called 48 Laws of Power, law number 1 says never outshine your master. So let's say you are in a meeting and you are a junior. You might be a manager, but you are in a meeting of other executive, and one executive who you are not reporting to, you just say like, your department cannot do this, and your executive who is your boss hasn't even approved that project from the other colleague, and you are jumping, say like, no, don't worry, we can do it. It is very important that you take the line that your manager take. Don't overshadow, don't go there and try to impress other people, because it's an easy project, but your manager even hasn't approved. It's not even the department or the vision that your manager or your executive vision for the department, and you are accepting other work from other department. You are now starting to outshine your master. Next time what will happen? You are not going to be invited in meetings, because you are making decisions, you are making it about yourself, not your manager, not your department. You are there for your manager. That person is the one who approves. That's the person who decides your promotion, because for your promotion to be approved, he has the one to support that. So you now always making it about yourself in big meetings where especially externals are there. It is very important not to outshine your master, and be comfortable of being junior and take instruction from your boss. Very good.